What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what is in the shop. We'll start here in Latrobe. Behind me, we've got Aaron installing some paint protection film on top of some vinyl wrap that we did on a car that's fully wrapped in XPEL Stealth and ceramic coated and tinted. So just about everything we can do is on this car. I think those are the last couple of pieces left. Right behind that car, we have a BMW SUV. This one had paint protection before, got into an accident, so we had to replace a couple of pieces of film, and now it's also getting coated. And beside that, we have a full wrap on a BMW M3, and this is with the 10 mil, so the thicker film that's from XPEL. It's going to provide the best protection money can buy from rock chips and scratches, and you'll never even know it's there. In front of it is the exact same thing, a full wrap on this Blazer with our 10 mil product, ceramic coating, and on the lift, believe it or not, another full wrap. This is a factory matte white from Toyota on the Supra. And you guys hear me preach on this all the time. If it is a factory matte finish, you need to protect every inch of it. This customer is doing just that with XPEL Stealth, and then it's getting coated, and we also tinted the windows. See, Jimmy is removing the door handles right now. When we do a full wrap, almost always we remove the door handles unless basically otherwise requested. So that way you don't have cuts around here and a seam under here. A lot of shops don't do that. That's the kind of stuff that really separates one shop's work from another. And Steve is currently finishing up a backup camera installation in this F-150. In the tint bay, we've got Kevin working on an Elantra N-line. These things are pretty cool. It's getting ceramic tint. It's also getting paint protection film on the front end. Outside, we have a Chevy Colorado Z71. This one's here for window tint. And next to it is a Lamborghini Urus. You guys probably remember this car. We did a lot of vinyl wrap and things on it. We have to replace a piece on the fender, not our fault, and something with the vinyl. There's a couple little things involving PPF and vinyl in this car, so it's getting done hopefully this week. And this F-150, this one had a problem with some heated seats that we installed. We always stand behind our work. Sometimes something stops working. That's what happened in this case. We just installed it a couple days ago and there was some sort of issue, so we make sure we get that taken care of for the customer. And this Buick is here for window tint as well. My favorite car, I think this was here last week. GT4 RS, full wrap in 10 mil and coating. It's done, pretty much ready to go home. The customer, I think, is away, so we're just gonna wait till they get back, and then we're gonna use our enclosed trailer to bring that to them. So with the enclosed trailer, it's nice because we get to take cars like this that you're not driving during the winter, put 0 miles on them, bring them here, get the work done, bring them back to you, and by the time the weather breaks, it's ready to roll. This McLaren MP412C is here for some paint protection film on the front. This Ram Rebel is finished up. This one got paint protection on the front end and the entire bed sides and a paint correction. And I think that was everything. It's basically ready to go home, just like one final cleanup on it, and it'll be ready to roll. All right, and up front we have a G-Wagon G63. This was a factory matte finish vehicle that we did a full protective film wrap on it. There's just some little touch-up things about a year later. Edge needs trimmed here and there, so that's what it's back for. Beside it, we've got another AMG C43, I think this is, coupe, and then a C8 Vet. This one got window tint and it's getting a full paint protection film wrap, but we're booked out like 2 months on paint protection film wraps, and this one's kind of snuck in, so we're gonna hopefully get to that this week. Waiting on something to cancel, but nothing's canceling. Let's see what's going on in Pittsburgh and Miami this week.
What's up, guys? We got a bunch of cool stuff going on here in the shop this week. Let's take a walk inside and check it out. In the ceramic coating area, we have this 2023 Range Rover Sport. It's got the 2 front windows tinted in our 20% tint to match the back windows, PPF on the full front clip, and now it's being polished and ceramic coated by Mark. Next up for window tint and a paint correction and ceramic coating is this 2023 Chevy Tahoe. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window, then getting all that black paint polished out and ceramic coated. Currently being tinted by Brandon is this 2015 F-150. This is getting our Prime CS series, 35% fronts, 20% back section, and a 5% visor. In the wash bay, we have a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is getting some paint protection film on the full front clip, the wear and tear areas, and the back bumper. Next in line for window tint is this Grand Cherokee. The front 2 windows are currently tinted, but they're a bit too light for the customer. We're gonna take off the existing tint and go a bit darker with our Prime XR 15% window tint. Our full wrap of the week is this 2022 G-Wagon. This vehicle has factory matte paint. If you guys know anything about factory matte paint, it's really, really tough to maintain. So we're protecting the entire vehicle in our stealth paint protection film. Up on the lift is this 2022 Lexus IS 350. This is getting our track package, wear and tear, and A-pillar and roof kit. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll kick it back down to Patrick in Miami.
All right, what's going on, everybody? We're back for the What's in the Shop Wednesday for this week, so let's see what we have going on back here. Let's go through our nice magical door. As you can tell, still waiting for some paint here to get mixed so I can finish painting it, but let's head back, see what we have. Starting off, we have a 2022 Supra. This is in for paint protection film, so we're doing a full front clip on it with the Expel Stealth, as well as the carbon fiber pieces down low on the rockers, as well as the A-pillars. Then it's going to be getting the full Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. I'm sure as you can tell, the car is matte from factory, so that's why we're going to be using the Expel Stealth to maintain the matte paint on this vehicle. 2022, I believe, Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. This one got the Expel full front clip package. So we did the full hood, the front fenders, the fender flares, the mirrors, the front bumper, and the headlights of this vehicle. We're just doing a couple final touch-ups on it, going to get it washed, and then it's going to be heading home to the customer this afternoon. It's a beautiful car. All right, and then lastly we have this 2018 Corvette Grand Sport. This one came in for the full front clip of the paint protection film, and now it's just awaiting for me to do the paint correction and the ceramic coating over the entire vehicle. But I really like this color. It's a really cool looking car. Customer has some aftermarket, I believe they're black diamond wheels, but it's a really good looking car. So we're ready to get that one finished up, and we'll get that back to the customer at the end of the week. All right, and that's all we have going on this week down here at the Miami location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know how we're doing. I want to give a special thanks to Dean, who is my cameraman today.
Yeah, that's me.
Filming the good stuff. So we'll see you guys next week.